Hi, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the GS20. It's a Super Air Nautique surf and wake boat. Pause. Here in the rear on our GS models, there's nice little loungers if you're sitting at a sandbar or putting on your wakeboard, getting ready to jump in the water. This boat is a black, green, and white interior. It looks absolutely amazing. There's not too many aggressive bright colors. The tower is very sturdy, doesn't need any extra support beams to hold it up. You have racks on the side of each of the tower. Going inside, right here there's a step. There's also a fill-in cushion that goes in that spot as well. So it can be a full wraparound seating here in the back. As you can see, there's tons of cup holders. In this particular model, we have lighted cup holders, 6 JL audio speakers. There's storage underneath each of the seats, as well as a cooler as well. Here in the back, we have subfloor ballast, so you can store all your personal belongings here in the back. It's a very large amount of space. We have a PCM engine, which is an absolutely wonderful engine. All of Nautiques are powered by. There's a pop-up ski tow bar for skiing purposes, obviously, and another storage area where the subfloor ballast is. Underneath your passenger seat here, you have a 10-inch subwoofer, as well as more storage. In the glove compartment, this is waterproof. You have JL audio controls, all the charging ports you need, and then areas for everybody to put their phones. That way, when water splashes in, it doesn't get wet. Here at the helm, we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. We have our fully touchscreen, as well as a cell phone holder. This is a 12-person boat, and as you can see, the flooring is all the SeaDek flooring. The bow has a nice area, room for 3. When you're doing all your sports, you have 2 more speakers, and again, more cup holders. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and see this boat or one of our other Nautiques or other brands today.